All right, let's get into the more complex subtraction of decimals and how we compare it to how we always did it, and then I'll compare it to how the kids have been taught, probably dealing with maybe second grade, using the counters for borrowing and subtracting. All right, let me use this guy as an example that's in here. 350 minus 238. I like to think of that just from real world life. $3.50 minus 238. Okay, we know that we have to take from that, and then we have to do that, borrow, and we have 1, and then we do that, and the answer is 1.12, 112, whatever way you want to look at that. That's the answer. That's the way that we've been told to do it. Okay, kids, on the other hand, what they would have the kids do, or rather they would be introduced to subtraction this way, so it can be more hands-on, is we're going to use these guys again. Now, each one of these little squares is a 1, and when you put them all together, or a penny, or whatever way you want to look at it. When you put them all together, this is a solid number. It's 1. It's a dollar. It's 1. It's whatever way you want to look at it. So the first number is 3.50. 1, 2, 3. Or 350, whatever way you want to look at it. And then I've got our tens. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, 3.50. Okay, kids, 2.38. Kid's going to look at this and go, all right, I know that I can't take 8 away from 0, so I need to regroup these guys. I need to break some of them down and break them into ones so we'd be able to do it. All right, so you know what? We're going to take this guy. We're going to borrow him. And we're going to just stick him over here for now. And I'm going to give them 10 ones. Same thing. 10 is this. If we have to break it down because now it's easier for us to take away 8. So we take away 8 and it's going to leave this. Okay, so how that translates on paper is, all right, I made this into 10 ones and I now have 2 and I needed to borrow from this guy, so I take 1 away and now I have 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and then the 3 minus 2 is 1. Again, basic stuff. This is just how a kid is going to understand or know how to borrow, or what do they call it? Regrouping. That's what they call it, and how it would apply to this case in decimals. By then, the kids should probably know this is the way that they do the regrouping, but since it's not the same way that we used to do it, at least I hope this will kind of explain for you. Go to the second grade playlist, and I have stuff down there about how to regroup using the counters if you need a refresher. Okay, thanks.